In this video, we're going to record our drawing of this deck, which is a deck shape formed of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 levels, and which we are going to draw by a process called configuration. This video will have a lot of formulas and a design table. So we start by drawing the base, and which we shall use to make the design table. So we are going to use the center rectangle. So what you need to do is pick rectangle. Please remember that whenever you pick something from the sketch, the full options are here on the sketch palette. So if I choose center rectangle, I go upright, and then I put in the A, which is here. The longest length is 300, and I enter. So I want to put some bit of formula in this one. So for this other side, I'll put a dimension and then click on that 300 and press enter. So to record the same dimension, which means that if I change that 300, this other 300 will automatically change, and that is in our design intent. Letter E for extrude, small house, and we need the thickness from the drawing is 30 mils, and then we have that piece there. I'll go ahead and put fillets on all the edges. Side, and this fillet is 30 mils. So I put 30 and press enter. Then there is the chamfer along that edge, which is 10 millimeters. So that finishes the general design. Now go to the holes. Click on that face. I go to sketch. Again, I'll use the center rectangle. I put the rectangle there. And now I'm going to use dimensions for B. B is that one there in the drawing, which is 225. And I make sure that B is also on this side. I just need to click there. And that one will be a formula, and I press enter. Now this is going to be our sketch for the holes. So if I place escape, and then hold Control and click on all the 4 edges of this rectangle, I'll change that to construction, and then I go to get a point. I put a point on each of these corners. So these are the positions of the holes, and the rectangle is already in our parametric. Then now I go to solid, choose the holes, make sure that I have a simple hole. I pick all the 4 corners, and then the depth of this hole is 10 from the drawing, and the diameter is 12. And I press OK, and that is done. Then I need to turn it around at the back. I draw another rectangle, center rectangle. This one will be a bit bigger. It's 250. And then I put the dimension on the other side, and I put this one to that, press enter. Same procedure, I change all these by holding control down to construction, and then I pick a point, and I put a point at each of those corners. Careful that you put in the exact corner. Then I tilt a bit, and then I choose hole already. If I choose the hole, the dimensions are already there. And I click OK. And then this drawing is now finished. And this is what we're going to use as the basis of our configuration. So we'll move on the next video where we're going to show the configuration.